I can't do it. I go off like a hand grenade. I won't do it.
What do you mean you won't? You have no choice. You have to. We just saw your Gerber and she won't let us make a deal for you, so this is it. Now, she went on that stand, and that means you have to. Don't, and you're down the two.
I can't. They'll know I'm lying. They'll know it.
You have to
I
do it,
can't
Barry.
do it. They'll know I'm lying. You damn hypocrites. You damn hypocrites. You want me to get up there on that stand, and you want me to lie. Right? Right?
Was it your idea, Barry, to kill Barbara Keeley's father?
No.
Did you go along with it willingly?
Willingly?
Did you like the idea?
No, You guys want me to think on her. Oh, you are nothing but a fucking... Sit down! Stay there!
Now, you listen. If you let us defend you our way, we wouldn't have to put you on the stand at all. No one's required to testify against himself. That's American law and it's good law, but she took the stand, leaving you nowhere else to go.
We haven't instructed you to lie, and we won't. But we think Barbara's guilty of murder in the first degree, and we don't think you are. But unless you testify, the jury's going to decide it's the other way around, and we're going to lose you to the gas chamber. As lawyers, we can't let that happen. We aren't permitted to let that happen.
Well, you're gonna have to let it happen because I can't do it.
You can't.
I can't do it. No, you leave me alone. Get out of here. Leave me alone.
Not until we get the right answer.
Leave me alone.
You can and you will.
Let me get some sleep, Mary. Let me alone. Let me go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Barry.
Leave me. Barry.
I'm not going to let you cry your way into the gas chamber. You're going to scrape up enough guts to do what you have to do. Get on that witness stand. And if they ask you if you've ever worked on a construction job, don't lie to them the way you did to us. All right. You can go to bed.